Johnny Depp, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory,
Wow!
Hello, we are Carla Salome,
Carla Sánchez Mora,
María Granado,
Clara Duran. And today, as members of the Library Project, we are going to talk about the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory book and the film adapted by Tim Burton.
with our analysis we want to encourage you
to read first the book and then watch the movie. You will not be disappointed.
The book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was published in 1964 and was written by Roald Dahl, who was a very famous writer. Roald Dahl was an spy and ace fighter pilot, a chocolate historian and a medical inventor. He was also the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, the BFG, and a treasury of original, evergreen and beloved children's books. Sadly, he died the 23rd of November of 1990 when he was 74 years old because he was diagnosed with myelodysplastic syndrome, that are condition that can occur when the blood-forming cells in the bone marrow become abnormal and is considered a type of cancer. Now I would like to talk about the book. It's a very interesting story that I completely recommend reading because it's fun, interesting, and it stimulates creativity. The characters are unique, and I think that you can also learn a lot from the way they are, because in our lives we are going to find greedy and rude people. I would like to introduce them a little bit. Veruca Salt is a very rude girl, Violet, a very competitive little girl, Augustus Gloop, a very anxious boy, and Mike TV, a boy that is too proud of himself. We need always to be kind and respect every single person, such as the character Charlie Bucket. In addition, I would like to mention that my favorite character is Charlie Bucket, because he is always kind and humble, although the other people is not.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, as Clara has mentioned before, was written by Roald Dahl, and this edition has been illustrated by Quentin Blake. This book is recommended for 7 years old on. I think that it's a very funny and interesting book because it has a lot of adventures and fun things. As well as Clara, I recommend it to you all too, because when you have read it, you could create your own chocolate palace and have fun. The book has 155 pages and 30 chapters, but it's not so difficult to read because the chapters are quite short and it has different types of drawings. The illustrations of this edition are really nice, what is more interesting. This book has a movie adaptation of which Carla and Maria will discuss it in a bit. In addition, it also has different types of short animation adaptations, but they are not so well known. If you have the chance to do so, we'll encourage you to read this book, as it is funny and it stimulates creativity through fantasy. We hope you enjoy reading it.
The movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was directed by Timothy Walter, better known as Tim Burton. He has also made other famous films such as Alice in Wonderland, Dumbo, Hope's Bride, Beetlejuice, and The Nightmare Before Christmas. Apart from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which was published in 2005, there is also another movie called Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This film was published in 1971.
This is the reason why it is not very popular today. Nevertheless, it has the same storyline as the actual film. Now let's move on to the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie. In my opinion, this is an amazing audiovisual work. It has wonderful settings and incredible characters. Some examples of those characters are Johnny Depp playing Willy Wonka, Freddie Highmore playing Charlie, Helena Bonham Carter playing Charlie's mother, and Deb Roy playing the Oompa Loompas.
Take a look and you'll see into your imagination.
The movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is about a kid called Charlie Bucket. He is a kind and polite 11-year-old boy who lives in poverty in a small house together with his parents and 4 grandparents. They all depend on the salary of Charlie's father, who works in a toothpaste factory. At the end of the street, Willy Wonka's chocolate factory was found, where Charlie's grandfather Joe worked. Mr. Wonka was having a great success with his factory at that time, but the other candy makers were becoming jealous of Mr. Wonka's creations. Therefore, they became spies inside the factory to steal his secret recipes. One day, Mr. Wonka made the decision to close the factory forever and fire all his workers. However, one day smoke began to come out of the chimneys. That means that the factory was back, but no one of the workers got their jobs back, and no one saw Mr. Wonka since the factory doors were always closed. The doors kept closed and they only opened when the sweets were going to be given by trucks to the different stores. One day, Mr. Wonka announced that the 5 children who found 5 golden tickets hidden in Wonka's chocolate shops will be able to visit the factory, and only one of them will win a special grand prize.
I love it more than anything else.
Personally, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a very nice movie to watch with your family. Also, in this movie, different attitudes that children can have in real life and that we can think about are shown, such as selfishness or rudeness, that they are represented by Violet and Veruca Salt.
I'm a lot older than you think. I can't keep running my factory forever. I've got to give it to someone new. And that someone, Charlie, is you.
We all strongly recommend you to watch the film